Today we're gonna drive from here to Banawa, then go to CDU, then back. So yes, today is June 11, and yes, traffic has been almost back to normal here in Cebu. More cars on the road. The beep is back. You see taxis on the road. You see a lot of people walking on bikes. There's even a jeepney there. Oh yes, I saw jeepneys. Several jeepneys. I don't know if they really are already accepting passengers, but yes, we see a lot of motorcycles as well, and of course bikes. Yes, this is a good day to drive. Gloomy weather. It's cloudy. It was raining in the morning, but today this afternoon, it's quite dry and cold. So it's like a December weather. Really nice weather to just lace around. And by the way, hi sa mga taga Bisaya YouTubers Club. Hello. Shout out sa inyo. Padayon na sa pag-vlog. And yes, let's continue our trip. Today guys, I'm using technology to navigate and going to my destination. I'm using basically Google Maps. So it's just basically following their instructions on how to go to my destination in Banawa. It's gonna be fun listening to the app also, but let's see if it's right. The app wants me to turn left here in Archbishop Reyes, so I'm gonna head out. I'll be going to
turn left onto Archbishop Reyes Avenue.
There. I'm going to the Asilo area, the tourist area. Let's go. Oh, don't change lanes. Yeah, see the traffic now. I mean, like, we have more cars on the road, but the traffic's really flowing. Not much issues, except probably in the occasional stops in the traffic lights. But yeah, and there's a taxi. So now we're coming here. It's Gorordo Avenue.
Slight right after the gas station, on the right onto Soto Drive.
This is the Soto Drive.
In 400 meters, turn right onto General Maxilom Ave.
What happened to the tree? Oh, a tree fell. So be careful on this road. Whoa, including wires. So no electricity in this area. Okay. So I'm gonna turn left here. There's a Soto. That's basically the other side is Diha Cosalan. Turn right.
Turn right onto General Maxilom Avenue.
Anytime with care. So we're now in Mango Avenue.
600 meters at the roundabout, take the 4th exit onto B. Rodriguez Street.
So we're going to B. Rodriguez. When we reach Fuente, we will pick B. Rodriguez. Alright. There's an ambulance. Very nice looking ambulance, by the way. And there's Lala Move. And that's the Fuente Osmeña Circle, or they call what our friends from Australia and the British friends call it a roundabout. So this is our major roundabout here in Cebu, or a rotonda for our Spanish friends. So, or a circle. Why not? So this is a Fuente Osmeña Circle. And yes, there's a biker dude here in Fuente, staying in the middle lanes. Kind of dangerous, but yeah. And now we're heading to B. Rodriguez.
Exit the roundabout onto B. Rodriguez Street.
This is B. Rodriguez. And there's the Santos Soga Memorial Center.
In 600 meters, turn right onto V. Rama Avenue.
So that's a nice Mazda car. So now we're in B. Rodriguez and heading towards V. Rama and going to Happy Valley area and then Horseshoe. So we're here. Quick drive basically. That's the traffic of on the other end of B. Rodriguez towards V. Rama and Guadalupe. Yes. Good number of cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even someone selling, you can see it in a bit, someone selling, I don't know, balloons? Oh, yes, balloons. Turn right here.
Turn right onto V. Rama Avenue, then turn left onto Dr. Pablo Urbela Street.
Oh, I didn't know it's Pablo Urbela Street. But yeah. There. Oh.
Turn left onto Dr. Pablo Urbela Street.
I didn't know the name of Pablo Urbela Street, huh? So this is basically going to Happy Valley.
In 500 meters, turn right onto I. Limcaking Street.
Oh, so Limcaking Street, I'm gonna turn right. The Limcaking Street is just before you go down Happy Valley. So it's still not Limcaking. It's the second street. There's one more.
Turn right onto I. Limcaking Street.
Oh, there. This is Limcaking. Used to live here in this area when I was a kid. In Horseshoe Drive.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Turn left? What do you mean turn left? Okay. Hindi hago ni mamuliko. Alright, we're here.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
That's basically it. And here, that's one luxury residences. Alright.
Oh, it's chorizo pudpud.
Oh, chorizo pudpud. Yeah. Okay, so how do we cook this?
Huh?
How do we cook this lang?
Just fry it in oil and then that's about it.
Alright.
So, it's easy to cook.
Okay.
Hope you enjoy it.
O ni, by the way, mani ang ihatag na to is chorizo pudpud.
Food.
And
Here. There.
yes, premium chorizo pudpud.
Yes.
This is extra spicy. So where does this come from?
We're from Bacolod.
Okay.
So, my husband's taste buds have to meet this kind of quality.
So how can they order, Jean?
Just message us and PM us in Facebook and Instagram. So we're there.
Unsa man? It's Casita Jaen.
Yes.
Yes, I'll just put everything in the description because tomorrow we'll be cooking this. But yes,
So hope you like it.
yeah, okay, nga.
Super
Probably.
yummy, so we don't scrimp all the ingredients.
So how much is normally?
So this one is 300, but the
Okay.
regular one is 275.
Okay, okay. So, guys, we just received the chorizo pudpud here from Jean Casita.
Casita Jaen.
Casita Jaen, right? Aha, okay. I thought it's Jean. It's Casita Jaen. Okay.
That's my husband's last name.
So, guys, yes, you wanna order this one? Check out their Instagram or Facebook, Casita Jaen, for the best chorizo pudpud in town. Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much, Carlo.
Yes, nasayop ko ingon, but actually what I got is chorizo pudpud. I thought it's gonna be sisig. It's not, mali. But in a bit we'll drive back going to CDU and check out, the traffic in Guadalupe area. So guys, now we're here at Horseshoe Drive. I used to live this area. That one there, inside there. And yes, we used to have a chapel in this area. This one was a chapel, but it was destroyed because they built a bigger church downhill. So that's so welcome to Banawa. So we're turning right to Ardo 30th Street, and we are back in the highway. Casita Jaen. Casita Jaen. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna make garlic rice today. I don't know. Oh, we're here in Guadalupe. And M. Veles, I think they're our senior Pedro fans here. So we're M. Veles and heading towards the capital, the provincial capital area, the capital site. So the traffic here is quite light. I think they removed the traffic light in this area. Oops, there's one who wants to violate some traffic rules. So we're gonna go here towards Cebu Doctors University Hospital. Guys, we're back here in Pennsylvania, and we're on our way back home. So we're gonna pass through this road going to General Maxilom Avenue or Mango Avenue. Then we'll have gas there at Shell for Shell B-Power Diesel. Right, now we're heading to the area of the University of San Carlos North Campus, but we're just gonna pass by Shell here for the gasoline because it's 1 peso cheaper here. The price here is $31.91 for fuel safe diesel and $35.11 for B-Power diesel. There in our place it's 37, so it's probably cheaper by almost around 2 pesos. So that's B-Power diesel. Basically we're done. Oh, there's a beep. Beep is now back, so that's going our way as well. Since what, nag-seatbelt ikaw? So guys, that completes our afternoon drive, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and yes, stay safe guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye.